guys can see this. My feet are just touching the water. Oh my god, this is sketchy. Okay, that's a tree. This is the vibe right now. It's out here in the city during daytime, which is so sketchy, but it's just so nice being out here on the dirt bike, just chilling. It's actually really nice. It's really nice actually. But there's probably hella cops out as well, but that's all good though. It's all good. And you can pop some wheelies too because there's not a lot of traffic. Doing the turns, you know what I mean? You already know. Yo, look at this, man. There's some birds out there. We got a little bit of flooding because it's been raining like crazy. Like there's a lake on that field which should not supposed to be there. It's been raining. I think it rained like 40-50 centimeters this last day. It's crazy. It's just been raining like insanely much. But yeah, it's been raining a lot. And now it's just so nice weather again. We still got the flooding like lakes where there's not supposed to be lakes, but it's a vibe, you know what I mean? Now we can definitely feel the summer. Like this is the first day I've ridden during the daytime as well, so I guess that helps a lot with the heat. But it's just so nice. It's just the summer vibes right now. Oh my god, dude. Okay, let's see if we can do this road right here. Let's see if we can hit the turns and stuff. Oh, I fucked it. Ah, my arms, dude. This road like leans so much into the ditch on both sides. It's like a pyramid pretty much, but you can't really see it, but it leans a lot, so when you're riding, you're slowly sliding into the ditch. The swerves are getting better. We're not there yet. We're working on it. Let's do some daily donuts. I'm gonna go back. I want to do some donuts. Yeah, well, like I kind of want to remove everything I don't need on the handlebars and make it like a fully like dirt bike. Only have like a headlight and tail light, and just make it like look completely like a dirt bike. Because like I'm not getting certain motor wheels for a while because they're expensive. So I was thinking maybe just go all out on a dirt bike style and go like Bikelife style, whatever you call it. which is fun. I mean, I really enjoy these wheels, and I really enjoy that style of riding. So yeah, just look at this, bro. I'm telling you, it's just been flooding. This is usually like a field with like a nice deep ditch. Bro, the freaking thing is underwater. We're doing the slow wheelies. But dude, slow wheelies is like, it's a vibe, you know? I wanna hit some jumps and stuff, like that would be a vibe. Just hit some jumps, it's like, whoa! Look at all the cows, man. You want to see some wheelies? Pump it up for the cows, you know what? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, cows, you want to see some wheelies? Hey, bro, you're looking away? Where are you running away for? Bro, you can't run away when you're doing wheelies, man. You're gonna, man, the cows don't appreciate wheelies, man. It's like YouTube and TikTok. They don't appreciate wheelies. They're like, yo, you're doing wheelies? No. Oh man, this is wet. I don't want to. Okay, well, whatever. Fuck it. Oh, okay. No, I guess not. Fuck it. I literally drifted right there. Yo, we can do some forest wheelies. Why didn't I think about that? And that would be a good jump. Okay, this is sketchy. Okay, that's a tree. That's a tree. Okay, this is no. That's way too sketchy. Oh. Okay, well, I guess we're going through the water. Please don't be deep. Oh my god, oh, yeah, I wish you guys could see this. My feet are just touching the water. Oh my god. My feet are legit touching the water. My feet are getting wet. That's how deep that was. Oh. Oh my god, that was... that was... Oh. Bro, my feet legit got... My shoes got wet from that. Try not to crash into that tree. I always smack right into that tree. I got right full speed right in that tree so many times. But dude, my feet that got wet from that. That was like 40-50 centimeters of water. I was like, maybe I can make it through. Nope. Well, we made it through, but it's kind of sketchy, you know? Okay, water. Okay, well, fun. Oh, I got... Oh. Yeah, that's... What piece of tree. Well, it's leaves, I know, but, you know, I think my hoodie made it, actually. And my hoodie made it, but the rest of me didn't. Damn, there's a big water puddle. But I guess we're gonna air dry because it's hot outside and it's windy. Not windy, but, you know, we're on a fast bike, so... Not fast bike, but... You know what I mean. This could so easily been avoided, you know what I mean? But nope. Gotta go fast. It's so fun but so sketchy at the same time. I really hope you guys can see in that tunnel because that was crazy. Like, it was crazy how freaking... Like, the water was legit like this deep from raining.